Well, good morning. Welcome to one of my first skis of the year. We're here just north of Nederland on Caribou Ranch. We're just going to do about a 5 or 6 mile loop out to Bluebird Mine and back this morning. It is about 8 o'clock, the sun has just come up and it's promising to be a beautiful day. So part of the trail comes along what used to be a railway. It was called the Switzerland Trail and it's snaked its way from Boulder all the way to Ward along a 26 mile route. Provides for some really nice easy grades, perfect for running along in the summer. But today we are just going to take it nice and easy on the skis. Well, about halfway along you kind of get across the Delond Ranch, which was first homesteaded in 1863, and this building's been here since 1870. No longer open to the public, but still a pretty cool sight to see. And then at the top end of the trail you come to Bluebird Mine. Still with the old bunkhouse, the old outhouses at the top there, and then looks like the manager's house there. And then a few of the mine shafts are still open, so you gotta be careful while you're up here. Just up ahead was where I saw my first and only mountain lion a couple of summers ago. So I'll certainly be keeping my head in a swivel while we're up here. So that's us. We are at the top of the trail for today. All that remains is to turn around and head back. It's beautiful up here, absolutely stunning. I love the old ruins and then the forest that you come through. It's a beautiful, simple, short-ish hike. Well worth the trek. And at the top here, you can't quite see it today because of the snow, but there's a nice little waterfall. Comes down just above the mine. Anyway, we're going to turn around, head back to the car. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.